Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I have a quick unboxing. This is actually my Chanyeol doll that I ordered a couple months back and it finally arrived, which is perfect because it's actually Chanyeol's birthday in about a week, so it came right on time. So here's the doll. This it's called Volcano Yeol. It's actually inspired and modeled after Chanyeol's look on the EXO ladder episodes. So here's his little outfit. It's a Balenciaga shirt that Chanyeol wore before. And here's his little pants. And it also came with these little hearts. So I might stick them on him, but it's so cute. I was so excited that it came. So it was from a Chinese maker, a doll maker, and I ordered it from a Philippines-based group order, but she also did worldwide. So I paid like $15 for shipping, but the total for the doll was about $30. So the dolls are pretty expensive. But yeah, so I'm just gonna dress him. He's so cute. I love it. And yeah, his Chanyeol's birthday is on the 27th, so it's right on time for his birthday. Oh, here's the little back. This is actually my first doll, so I'm really excited. So it took me a while, but I finally got the shirt on him. I had to put it on from his bottom, like bottom up. But yeah, it's so cute. And it says Balenciaga. It's so cute. And I love how it like really, his ears are so like big and just looks like him. So yeah, I'm not sure if I want to put these hearts on him yet, but it's definitely cute that they included it. I also have another doll costume that I bought previously when I knew that I was getting this doll, so I might put that on him. It's a shrimp tempura costume, but I'm not sure if I want to take it off now and put it on. So this is the other costume I bought personally. And like he just fits in here just like this. Let me see if I can put him in with this costume on. So here's the other costume. I feel like everyone has this costume and it's like not as cute as his other one that he's originally wearing. So I might not just put them in here, but yeah, here's the other costume I have. But yep, here is the doll that I bought. It's super cute. I love that I finally have a Chanyeol doll now. It's still on my wish list to buy the official Chanyeol doll that the SM came out with, but those are like, they're not as cute as like fan-made ones. So yeah, so that is my quick little unboxing for today, and thanks for watching.